Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here with Ant's Drone, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can synchronize audio from a microphone like this to a video clip like this in Final Cut Pro. Okay guys, so here we are in Final Cut Pro, and right here we have the video and right here we have the audio from the microphone. Now, one thing you want to do when you do this is you want to make sure that when you're recording video, make sure you're also recording audio from the video. You need to have that audio from the video clip so that Final Cut Pro can do the magic behind the scenes to synchronize both of these. Select one, and then you're going to press Command and select the other so that both of them are selected. So now that you have both of them selected, now what you're going to do is you're going to do a right click, and here you're going to see an option that says Synchronize Clips. Press that button and it'll bring up this menu right here. So you can choose to name your synchronized clip. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Right here, you want to make sure that you have Use Audio for Synchronization selected, and you also want to make sure that Disable Audio Components on AV Clips is selected. So what that'll do is it'll use the audio from the video clip to synchronize it with the clip from your microphone, and this right here will disable the audio from the video clip altogether. There are some custom settings here, but this is not really going to be necessary most of the time. It really depends on your needs, but I'm just going to select OK. It'll synchronize the clip, and right there you will see a new synchronized clip right here. It's the audio from the microphone and the video from your camera. That is how easy it is to synchronize audio and video in Final Cut Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're updated when I create new content.